Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a project reveal. So I showed you guys my initial diamond dots that I did a while ago that I got, and this is the beginner one. Very simple. Loved it. I suppose I did it for my sister, but I negotiated with her to do a purple one because I like it. So that was for me. I gotta frame it. I bought two frames, a black and a white one, and then I had this one, and this is for my daughter, and I framed it in the black frame, and my two frames and this image that was framed in the black one are missing. My grandson, this is when I showed that my grandson I was going to do. He did maybe 20. And, you know, he said, oh, okay, he wanted to play. So anyway, you know, he come here every now and then just do one. But anyway, I'm going to say about 20. The rest of them I did. But I think it accidentally got thrown away. We cannot find it. I had a bag with some other stuff to be thrown out because I was cleaning out my craft tube, and I think my middle son accidentally threw it away with some other bags that I had to get rid of some stuff. You know, it's the end of the year, trying to clean out, and I'm so upset because I worked on it, and it was for my daughter, and can't find it. So that's the only explanation, is that it seemed to have went missing when some of the trash went out. So yeah, bummer. And the frame went out too for the lips ones, which is weird that I framed this one before, because I had just finished this one and I was cutting it out and I put it in the frame, and then I was going to frame the lips. Got missing. Anyway, so this was the third one that I did, which I haven't had a chance to share. It's been done for, I guess, about a month before Thanksgiving. I just haven't shared it because I was going to share them all at the same time in the picture frames to show you. But this was one I showed also. All of these came from AC Moore, all the ones that I've shown you thus far. Well, no. The heart and this one came from AC Moore. The lips came from Michael's. So, and of course, I got them all on sale. So this one's called, I think, the advanced. Yeah, this is an advanced one. And it's only because when you look at it, this is the dazzling area. This is the area that you actually have to do. But when you finish, it looks like that because they have a background painted. So I really like this one. And this is a larger one. So I have to get this one measured out. They're odd kind of shapes. I mean, sizes. They don't come in. You got to really check your sizes because you have this a border around it that needs to be cut off. But finding the actual size. Design size is 14.6 by 22.4. See those points, that quarter and half an inches and stuff, is odd to find, you know, to find a frame that size. So that's the odd part of it, and so struggling with that. Anyway, haven't diligently looked for anything yet, but I'm gonna have to. I really love this, and I don't know because it's the lighting, if you really can see how pretty that is and how fun it was. And of course, let me see, I don't know if the light, I make it better or worse. I don't have it all. My window is open. Let's see, is that better? And my surface area, I'm on my phone videotaping, so it's not so wide, but really fun to do. I enjoyed it. And how long did it take me? Well, it's kind of hard to say because I, you know, start to stop, do a little bit doing lunch, you know, do some at home. Probably, I don't know, 10, I'm gonna say 10 hours. I don't know if that's accurate, I don't know. But anyway, so that's it in a nutshell, and I really enjoyed it. So for my sister, I'm going to work on this one next. This is the one I agreed to get her instead to do for her, since purple is her favorite color. I did the, I bought this one from AliExpress, and I have a video showing this one soon, and I'm going to, from AliExpress, and then I'm going to show the ending of it, how it turned out. So, because purple's her color. So for this one, this is the beginner one. It's a small one too, and it's one of those odd ones that the shape, the size of it. Doesn't say up here, but it's probably a little bit more than an 8x8, probably like a 9x9 or something. But anyway, I think it's pretty because she likes purple, so I'm going to do that for her. She's here visiting. Hopefully get it done before she leaves so she can take it home with her. But I just want to show you real quick. They do turn out really fun. And you know, you can get them customized. You can put your family portrait and get them done, send them in, your house, your pet, whatever. So it doesn't have to be just their designs. But so that's it. And you can take a rolling pin to make sure, squish everything out. So just wanted to kind of share that for anybody that was interested in doing the diamond dots. And again, like I said, I'm guessing 10 hours. I don't know if it was more or less, but I did mine with the individual ones, not with the, they have some of the tubes that can lay down 4 or 5 at a time. I just ordered those with this AliExpress thing, and I'm gonna try it and see how that works. But anyway, so that's my last diamond dots. So I just want you to know that I have been doing them. So sometimes when I'm not crafting, that's what I have been doing. And I did the 3rd one, but of course you can't see it because it's gone. But anyway, hope you try it out. And I'm going to have one of those in my giveaway that I'm giving away. So you can try it out. And it's an easy one, I think, for your kids and for yourself. You don't have to be a crafter to be able to do this. You don't have to have skills. If you can match numbers and colors, you can do this. And you can, you know, eyesight, you didn't have some good eyesight, but you can also use magnifying glasses or lights and things like that too, if that's an issue. You don't have to buy a light board to go under it, but that can be helpful for you. I did this. I haven't bought a light board, and I've done it just looking, and I don't have 20-year-old eyes, but and I don't have the best vision. I wear glasses, but I've been able to do it. Like I said, to me, it's pretty easy to do, but I can understand in certain lighting it is a little bit more tricky to see some of the design, I mean the code. So you might want to at least have some really good lighting in your room if you don't have a light box. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.